Good afternoon. Today, I, Atul Kumar of TEEXTC, will perform experiment number 3 of DBMS. So basically, in this experiment, we have to perform many commands on a database. So this is my database. Initially, I created a database of Atul Kumar B. Then this is all my tables in my database: branch, client, private owner, property, registration, staff, and viewing. This is all my table data, the data in my tables from branch, client, private owner, property for rent, registration, staff, wing, branch, etc. So task number one is to insert a row in a particular table. So the command is insert into branch values, what data you have to add. Then this data is integer. The type of the data should be same, like this is integer, this is integer, this should be integer, this is character, character. So this insert into branch values. This second, you have to add 2 3 branches, right? 2 3 rows. So insert into branch is table name, values, this is branch number, street, city, and pin code, comma, another bracket, branch number, street, city, and pin code. Now the third is you have to delete the branch, right? So if you have to delete a particular row, so we will use delete from branch a table name where street is an entity, street is equal to Homi Bhabha Road. So in this table we can see that the street is known as Homi Bhabha Road is get deleted over here. Another we can use a delete branch where branch number is 001. So if B001 is null with pin code 4005, so it get deleted over here. Now the third is to our update a particular column. So we use update branch set city equal to Mumbai. This means values in the city will be set Mumbai. So this all the cities, it was here cities like London, Glasgow, Bristol, London, Ambernath, Kalyan, Ambernath, all the cities get set to Mumbai only. Now if you have to update a column with some condition, we will use update branch city set city Ambernath where branch number is B011. So the branch which having a number B001 will get updated only. So in this B001 it was this Green City in Mumbai and 421501, it get updated as B011 Green City Ambernath 42501 because we selected city as Ambernath. Now if you have to now coming to the select task, if you have to select whole table, all the data of a table, we use select star from branch. If you want to select only a particular column of a table, so we will use select branch number, one column, select street, another column from branch is table name. So this is how we get selected. Now if you want to select branch of which are distinct, right? A column are distinct. If it was like branch number, street, again street, city, postcode, then only one street will get selected. But in our table it was all the distinct, all were different, so that's why all the column get selected. Now the fourth task is to compare and we have to select a table. So I have selected a table from known as staff, which has staff number, F name, L name, first name, last name, position, sex, date of birth, salary, and branch number. So if you use select staff from staff is a table name where salary is greater than 10,000. So all the data where the salary is 10,000 greater than 10,000 will be get selected. So this we can see that 18,000, 12,000, 24,000, and 30,000 data is get selected because the salary is greater than 10,000 or equal to 10,000. Now the third is salary between 10,000 and 1,50,000 or 1,15,000. So it's a range. We use a range, right? 10,000 to 15,000. So the salary we use select staff from staff where salary between 10,000 to 15,000. So we in the table we can see only the 12,000 is salary between 10,000 and 15,000, right? So it gets selected over here. Now if you want to select a particular type, a particular character from a table, from a column, so we use, I selected a table known as star select from property to foreign. We use select star from for property foreign where type in is flat. So the type where the type is flat, all the data will be get selected. Now if you want to select a row depending upon the character of a column, so we if we use this star select star from position like percentage t. So staff is my table, position is the one of the column in on a position, and percentage t is the last character of the entry in the position will should be a t. Percentage is coming after, percentage is coming before the character. This one the last character should be percent t. If the percentage comes after the t, then the character before the percentage should be t. Okay, so the percentage after t is, so we can see then position assistant assistant assistant, only assistant having the last character as t, so all the data selected in assistant only. So the table gets selected is staff number, this one with the position as assistant assistant assistant. Now using a, now the third is, now the fourth is the selecting the as statement as. So we use select f name salary as, this means as monthly salary comma salary star 20 as early salary from staff. So select f name will be selected, salary as monthly salary, monthly को salary select कर रहे हैं. Okay, as, so two data will be connected, which will before and after the as word. Okay, salary is connected to monthly salary comma salary in salary star 12, matlab every data in the salary column will be multiplied with star, and which is selected as early yearly salary from staff with the table name. So salary is this 9,000, salary is this 9,000, 18,000, 12,000, 24,000, 30,000, 9,000, 9,000. So table will be created, f name all the staff name, monthly salary is 9,000, 18,000, this something into 12. So 9 into 12 is 101 like 8,000 only. Okay. If we want to arrange the rows ascending wise or descending wise, so we use this select star from staff order by salary ascending. This is select star from staff. Staff is table name, order. You have to orderize ascending or decreasing. Order by salary. Salary is our column name, ascending. ASC ascending. If you use decreasing we use DSC ascending. So 9,000, 18,000, 12,000, 24,000, 30,000, 9,000 it was. Now it is 9,000, 9,000, 12,000, 18,000, 24,000, and 30,000 only. Now if I am to order by two column, right? We use select star from staff, order by salary ascending and date of birth ascending. So the first condition is salary ascending. So it will arrange the table as a secondary as increasing order for salary. Now, the fifth task is to count number of character present. Okay, so I have taken a table known as staff, which has the staff number, F name, L name, position, sex, DOB, salary, and branch number. So we use select count star as, star means whole table get selected as count from staff where sex equal to F. So it will go to a column known as X. It will search the F and he will start counting. Count is equal to count plus 1. So we can see the F, 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 F. It has 4 F. So count is equal to 4. Now if you have to count and also the sum of any column, right? So we will use select count position. So position will be get counted as count. So count करना है. Sum equal to salary. Salary column will get sum as sum. We have to display as a sum from staff where position equal to assistant. So if the condition is we have to count the number of position we have assistant. This is count and unki some of their salaries. Okay, so count assistant had three position has three rows having assistant whose salary is 9,000, 9,000, 12,000. So count will be three because three assistant, and salary will be sum of their all. So 9,000 plus 9,000 plus 12,000 is 30,000. Now it's just like simple salary, minimum salary, select minimum salary, salary say minimum, as minimum, max salary, salary say maximum, as maximum, maximum is the name of that column, right? Average, average is the function which you calculate the average, sum plus minimum by 2. Average of the sum, okay. Average of salary as average from staff. So minimum salary is 9,000, max is 30,000, and average is this. Average is sum of all the salary divided by number of staff name or number of rows. Okay. In this, we have to group the data. Okay. Group the data by some conditions, right? Select branch number. Branch number is selected. Count staff number as count. Staff number, we have to count staff number as a count. Sum equal to salary. उनका salary sum करना है as sum from staff. Group by branch number. You have to group the data by the branch number. So we can see that here branch number is B005, B007, 335. So it has 25. This is a 25. Count is 2. Count is 2. And B3 is over here. It has 3. 1, 2, 3. And B007 is 1. So all, sum of this salary is 54,000, 39,000, 9,000. Okay. This was the same. This was same. If the character is before the percentage, it will show all the positions. So assistant is ASS, ISTNT. So percentage के पहले it was ASS. So all the data in the column gets selected which has ASS before the percentage. Which is starting character as ASS. So this is all the experiment number 3 from DBMS. Thank you.